We wanted to show the wild and roughness of nature and how cruel and ugly it can be. If you were lost in the woods, you wouldn't be noticing the blue skies and the lovely trees. You'd be worried about the bears and stuff. So it's pretty rough, like the wild. Thanks.
We do something a little bit different, and it symbolises quite a lot, we think. Mainly it's our individuality, that we can work as a team but be separate from everyone else. And as you can see, we have Martin Croshaw there. He noticed that it looked a wee bit like some DNA. DNA makes up all things, and it's the instructions to life. So if we can, through B2E, help us with our instructions, we can perhaps have a better future for ourselves.
Is based around the tree. Now, the tree is very strong, and it has to work through teamwork in order for it to prosper and grow. It has to get the water from the roots and whatnot, it has to get the light from the sun, and it has to make them, and it has to use polymerization to actually get the glucose it needs to grow. Okay, so through the teamwork of the sun, the rain, the atmosphere, everything, we have managed to create this tree, and from it, we prosper.
It's the desert penguins, so we thought we would represent the penguins with pine cones, because they're kind of the same shape. And we also thought, it's kind of cactus-like. We've got lots of dried out plants to represent all the dryness from the desert and how we've overcome this and moved there ourselves from the Antarctic. And we've also got lots of flowers, lots of grass to represent the earth, which is what we worship because it's where life comes from and it's how we live. And that's it.
To us, it's the three important things of our lives: Scotland, the fun we had in the British Employment Programme, and food. So we just really looked for these three things, and that's what we found for that, and we just struck them together in any way we could, and came out with this art. I never really understood art anyway, so.
Because it's like nature, because it's got all that's going to be trees and stuff, and it's going to be a flower garden, and it looks nice as well. So that's why we made it. That's it.